Learning Objective D, I'm going to show you how to graph horizontal and vertical lines. So the easiest way to do this is to graph this equation and this one, I'm going to tell you, are going to be either horizontal or vertical. And the reason I know that is the standard format of a line is y equals mx plus b. For example, maybe y equals 3x minus 5. That's a pretty involved looking line, and it's going to be a tilted line somewhere. But notice these two. They're very simple looking lines. It's either x equals or y equals. Anytime you see a line which is just x equals a number or y equals a number, it is horizontal or vertical. You just need to remember which one. So let's do letter A here first. And I'm going to go exactly where it tells me to. It says, hey, go to y where it equals 4. So I go to y where it equals 4. And what I'm going to do is either have a vertical line or a horizontal line that goes to that point. Well, the point of this line is every ordered pair on the line must have a y value of 4, because that's what it says. So right now I've graphed the ordered pair 0, 4, because the y has to be 4. Well, there's another ordered pair where y is 4 and another ordered pair where y is 4. Well, what are the other x values? I don't know, I'm just going to pick something. How about 1 and 2? If that's the case, then the ordered pair 1, 4 and 2, 4 are on the graph. If you connect those points, you get the horizontal line. So that's why it works, but I'll tell you, I always just graph where it tells me to go. It says the y-axis at 4, and I draw the line in the opposite direction of the axis in which it crosses. That'll work every time as a trick. Okay, let's graph equation B. X equals -1. So I go to x at -1 and I plot a point. Again, what that means is every point on this line, when I come up with the ordered pairs, has to have -1 as an x, because that's what it says. So right now, I actually have the ordered pair plotted of -1, 0. Well, why not I choose to put 1 and 2 in here? If you do that, you're going to notice the line starts going up, and it becomes a vertical line. The trick I use for these is I always just do what it says. I go to the x-axis at -1, and then I draw the line in the opposite direction of the axis in which I am on. And that's how you can always draw the vertical line.